stop. You are probably using your Android phone wrong. These two hidden settings could literally save your privacy and battery. Most people never turn these on, even though they are built right into your phone. And yes, they work on almost every Android device. Setting 1. App Permissions Manager. First up, a setting that secretly controls everything apps know about you. Go to Settings, tap Security and Privacy. Tap More Privacy Settings. Tap Permission Manager. Now tap Location. Look at this. These apps can track you all the time. It to only while using the app or don't allow. Unless it's something like Maps. You will instantly boost privacy and save battery. Setting 2. Adaptive Battery. Now the second setting is a lifesaver, especially if your battery dies too fast. Go to Settings. Search for Adaptive Battery. Turn this on right now if it's off. This setting uses AI to learn how you use your phone. Also stops background app from draining your battery. So just by turning on 2 settings, you get better privacy and longer battery life. If you didn't know these, you're not alone. Hit like, subscribe to Lifehack Hack, and I'll show you more hidden Android tricks in my next video.